Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Trello board to capture leads into CRM. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Trello and log into your account. Create a new board by clicking on the Create New Board button. Name your board something relevant, like lead capture. Select an appropriate background color or image for better visibility. Add lists to your board that represent different stages of your lead pipeline, such as new leads, contacted, and converted. Go to the Power UPS menu on the board. Search for a CRM integration power-up that suits your needs. Click on Add to install the power-up. Follow the prompts to connect your CRM account to Trello. Once linked, return to your board. Create a card for each lead by clicking on Add a card under the New Leads list. Fill in the card details like the lead's name, contact information, and any important notes. Utilize checklists within the cards to manage follow-up tasks. Once a lead is contacted, move the card to the contacted list. For leads converted into customers, move the card to the converted list. Use labels to categorize leads based on priority or type. Set due dates on cards to remind you of follow-up deadlines. Monitor your board regularly to keep track of progress. Customize your board with additional Power UPS as needed for enhanced functionality. Ensure all team members have access to the board for collaboration. Review analytics if your CRM power-up provides insights into lead conversion rates. Adjust your strategies as required based on the performance of your lead capture process. With these steps, your Trello board is now set up to effectively capture leads for your CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.